keeping it on cars for a second, you pointed this story out to me. From smartphones to pickups, Corning now offering Gorilla Glass windshields for the Ford F-150. For those of you unfamiliar, parts of the world maybe where you don't see a billion F-150s, it's an incredibly popular pickup truck. And we're starting to see more and more where tech and tech components is merging with automotive. We're seeing that happen all over the place, not just in Tesla's territory, but also obviously in this case with Corning and Ford. They're going to make Gorilla Glass windshields for the U.S. market's best-selling vehicle. That's what the F-150 happens to be. And for a similar reason that you would want Gorilla Glass on a smartphone, you might very well want it as a windshield. It's going to be resistant to chips and cracks and things like this. And on a pickup truck, particularly if you're frequenting a job site, you got stuff flinging up, and it actually really, well, it makes a lot of sense for that type of application. It will, however, be more expensive. It's going to be sold by High Performance, and it'll cost you $900 excluding installation. So it's going to be more than a typical glass windshield, but presumably you're going to have to replace it a lot less, and this could be the start of a trend, maybe. Apparently, Ford has a bit of history with Corning's Gorilla Glass as the GT supercar, which they make in Markham, by the way.
Oh, do they?
The new Ford GT. I would love to go take a look at it, actually. That car is bananas, of course. Oh, yeah? They make it just down the street from here. And that one's got a Gorilla Glass windshield, but this is a very limited production that they do for the Ford GT, whereas the F-150 is a crazy popular vehicle. So the idea of the application here is much more significant from an industrial perspective when compared to the supercar, the Ford GT. But they do have a bit of backstory. Who knows, Will? Your next vehicle might have a Gorilla Glass windshield, and that could give you peace of mind when you're going down the dirt road.
Yeah, off-roading, as I do from time to time.
It's another one of your hobbies.
Donuts.
Your list is so long. What was the guy? You're the most interesting man in the world.
Yeah.
Who was he? Dos Equis?
Mr. Dos Equis.
I mean, who knows what you're up to, Will? You leave here, who knows what you're up to? We talk about it. Me, Kirk, Jack, we get together. We try to figure it out. We haven't gotten any closer.
They're all rumors that probably true.
Wow. Every rumor is true. That's your message to the world.